Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to calculate VAT, which is value added tax. Let's first see how we can apply VAT and on which amount we can apply VAT. So let's see VAT applicability. Below 5 lakhs turnover, no tax and no registration required. 5 to 40 lakhs TOT will apply and VAT is optional. Above 40 lakhs, VAT will apply. Let's see VAT rates for different industries. There are three main rates for input and output VAT tax. 0% for agriculture products in India, 1% for jewelry, 4% for pharma, computers and soap, 12.5% for FMCG products and automobile. So these are the sum of rates for some industries. Now let's see input tax amount calculation. Month purchases gross value X rate of tax. For example, input tax is equal to 10 lakh into 0.04, which is the tax rate. Then input tax will be 40,000. Purchases includes trade purchases and capital goods purchases as per the existing VAT rate. So input tax is amount into 0.04 is equal to 40,000. Output tax amount calculation. Month sales X rate of tax. So let's see how to calculate output tax. Output tax is equal to 20 lakhs into 0.04 is equal to 80,000. Means here purchase item amount or total amount needed to build the product, and if we include VAT tax which is 0.04%, then amount will be 80,000. On the invoice we should show items amount, VAT value and total value. In case of discount, it should be given before VAT. Now let's see tax credit. If input tax is greater than output tax, then we should not pay tax to government. This is the one of the important thing in tax paying. This amount will be carried forward to the next month. This is the tax credit amount. For example, input tax is 1 lakh and output tax is 50,000. Then input tax is greater than output tax. So tax credit will be input tax minus output tax, which is 1 lakh minus 50,000 is equal to 50,000, which is the tax credit, and it will be carried forward to the next month. So this is the calculation of VAT. Thank you.